guys, Steven Fillers here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Putco's Luminix LED emblems, and with Putco we have Jeff. How you doing, Jeff?
Hey, Steven. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming today. So Jeff, in today's video I kind of want to cover a few major topics. First of all, this is a super cool piece. We just want to know more about it. Then we'll get into the installation and talk about how easy this is to install on this application. So get us started, give us the full details on the product here.
Yeah, so what we're showing here is one of our direct replacement LED emblems for the front of the Ford F-150. This is a chip-on-board emblem. It gives you that really bright LED light. You can see how bright it is.
For sure.
CB seen way down the road. So we make a front and a rear.
Okay.
The front's going to be white and the rears are going to be red. These are direct replacements. If you have the camera hole, we have that. If you have the camera hole and the sprayer nozzle, we have that too.
Okay.
So we have all the ranges covered, and the honeycomb and the slat grill. So super easy install, IP69 rating on these, and a really bright 6500K that matches our headlights perfectly, and also the running lights on the factory vehicle too.
Perfect. And one of the things that I like the most is the startup animation. Just that nice little, it's just a classy piece. I think that really makes it stand out.
Oh yeah, it definitely gives you that high-end look, and it's something that you're seeing on those high-end expensive cars, and it really is like, man, does it just add to the look of the truck for sure.
Yeah, what a great way to beef up your ride in a really nice visual way. So with that said, let's talk about the installation aspects. You've already kind of given us some details there, but for the average consumer at home, what would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10? But also, what about a time scale?
Yeah, no, definitely, and it's application specific. On this one, we had to disassemble the front end, so there was a little bit more time in there. I would say it's around a 6. It just depends on how you want to install it. We have instructions. We've hooked this one to a fuse, so it's on when the ignition's on.
Okay.
But if you want to get creative, we've had a few people change up the wiring. So because of that, I give it a 6 because you can get a little creative with it. And on the rear, you actually have to tie it into the taillights, or you can tie it into the brake lights, so you do have that flexibility too. So if you want it to light up on the brakes, you can, or if you want it just to be lighting up while it's running, you can do that too. So it is a plug and play. It's direct installation, a direct replacement. So it is pretty straightforward. But you know, anything with electrical, you can take it as above and beyond as you want, and as clean of an install as you want. So you can add as much time as you want to for that.
Cool, good deal. So at a 6 of 10, we do think you can do this on your own. It's right there in that threshold, but there is some wiring required. So if you're kind of uncomfortable doing that, as always, look in the description below the video. We'll have a dealer locator there, so you can find a dealer in your area who is more than happy to make this installation happen for you. All right, so that's a wrap on Putco's Luminix LED emblems. Before we go though, Jeff, thanks again for coming today.
Thanks again for having me, Steven.
Yes, sir, it's been a great pleasure.
Thanks.
Now, guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you just want more information about the product, check below in the description of a part number and again, that dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer in your area. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.